I don't know how to get out, but I think we're stuck here. If you're watching this YouTube video, guess what? We made it out, or somebody found it and was really nice enough to upload it to my channel. Oh, fuck. Hey, YouTube. Good morning. Oh, fuck, that was horrible. Horrible night. Don't sleep in your car outside Barber. This is the first video, yeah. All right, hello YouTube. Welcome to Barber Motorsports Park for the Barber Small Bore. Eric, gonna meet Bruce is happy. Oh, fuck. Jesus. What up YouTube? Before this video kicks off, I want to give a shout out to all the new patrons since the last video, so let's go. Caleb, Ralph, last name Clever, Dean, Brandon, Ben, Jacob, Steven, Trademark, Ronald, Ann, Brian, Max, Evan, Logan, Gene, Jesse, Sean, Chris, Dylan, Justin, Jason, Eric, Daniel, Tyler, Kevin, Gromernot, Jason, Sam, Clayton, Jay, Devin, Josh, Jason, and Caesar. I do appreciate the support, guys. If you guys want to help support the channel, link down below. Now let's get back to some goodness at Barber Motorsports Park. Let's take a look at Lewis's crib. This is his one-bedroom apartment. And then this is so easy. So I mean, I was done probably a good, I don't know, 5 or 6 minutes before we even started Lewis's. Should be pretty good. Popped up real easy, so that was nice. First one's here, baby. If you're not first, you're last. All right. We're now on the bikes. Oh, look at my pet. We're now on the bikes. We're gonna go rip in the rain. We're doing no gloves. Don't freaking go all geared Nazi on me because they turn your hand black in the first day. That's not good. I'm willing to risk some road rash on the palms. So all this will be tent camping. I don't know how many people will be here, but right now we're the first ones. They don't technically open it up till 3 p.m. It's now, I don't know, like noon. All right, let's go explore. Do you want to start down there or go this way? Okay. What? You can stop me? Oh shit. Some of you guys have never been to Barber Motorsports Park. It's pretty amazing. This is my second time. I haven't been here in probably 3 or 4 years. Last time I was here, I was shooting photos for a professional race, and that was the second time I was here. The time before that, I did a track day on my 1000 at GSXR 1000, but that was way back in like 2008, I think. So it's been about 10 years since I did that track event. Oh, this is gonna be like the drag race. Yoshimir's here. Nick, where's Nick? Is this Nick right here? Nick's our guy. That's the guy who woke me up this morning. Thanks, Nick. So how's this gonna be laid out?
And then there's probably a 5-minute bike ride down under the woods, and then we have our track back there.
Can we explore back there right now?
Not right now.
Oh, he was saying down here will be the off-road, but they're gonna do it blind, so they don't want anyone to see the course. I think he's just telling us that so we don't go back there. Oh yeah, holy shit. Oh, this is crazy. You go up mountains and through water? Look at this. This is going to be something crazy. They got it taped off, though, so we're not going to go that way. They got that taped off. Look how deep that is.
I'm going in.
You can't hit that.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, that's like 5 feet deep. I like it, though. You know, I was skeptical when they first announced this. When I talked to Nick, he hit me up. He said, give me a call. We want you to come out here. I'm sure you got questions, blah, blah, blah. So I gave him a call. My mentality was, I'm not going to come. Like, I had no plans to come. So I started asking him, like, crazy questions. Like, if we do this, do that, what are you going to do? Oh, we're going this way? Okay. Basically, I bet you... Is this part of the track? Basically, I said we'd be doing stuff like this. This is part of the track. Yeah. Oh, this is crazy.
Holy shit.
We're fucked. Dude, this is worse than the Dragon.
They're missing out so much.
Yeah. All right, everyone that went to the Dragon this year, I'm just telling you, they didn't hype this up good enough. What they should have done is flown me and Lewis out here a week before and let us just go explore, and we would have hyped this whole thing out. Not even a week before, like a week before you announce it, that we could add the video. I got a feeling next year is gonna be big.
That drop.
Holy shit. It's probably 60 feet. 60 feet? Yeah, it's going straight down. Anyway, so when I talked to Nick, I basically told him we were going to do stuff like this because I didn't plan on going. And then once they announced, or once I talked to him and they started reassuring me that we're going to kind of get away with a lot of stuff, I was like, okay. And the fact that's the first year, I was like, I don't want to miss it. But now that I'm here, I'm actually really excited that I'm here. It's going to be a fun couple of days. Oh, look at that taco too. I want to trade in my 4Runner for a taco. You need a mud flap. Ah, shit. I told him if we wheelie from A to B, would you guys kick us out? And he said no, so We're taking that as a green light. RV camping, so if you guys go RV camping, you guys are up here in the VIP section. If you're a real rider, a real camper, you'd be down with us. There's the whole track right there, there's pit in. I think it's Victory Circle. Oh, helicopter pad. Stand-ups, okay. Who's doing foot drags? There's the tower. This is cool. I'm so glad we came last night. We drove through the night so we can go do all this stupid stuff before everyone gets here, before their security knows what to expect.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Pick you up and they look down on you. Take one lost, no one's around.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh my, why are you stopping?
I thought you wanted to look at the water. I thought you wanted to look at the water. Lewis, you got a scared look on your face. Oh, Lewis almost took me out. Oh, fuck. I think so. Okay, I'm okay with it. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit, there's a bridge here. 100% we're not supposed to be doing this. Sorry, Barber. You've been warned.
This is going down.
I don't think we come back up. Holy shit. You slide. Alright, fuck it. Oh my god. Look at this. We're not getting back up. We're gonna stay here.
You can't stop us from going everywhere, especially like this.
Nah, they left the gate open. They have a gate. I take that as he wanted us to explore. Look, there's there's a rope if you forget washed away. I told people on Facebook that were like questioning if we should go. I said, listen, we're gonna find adventures and good times. Hey, get out of my shot. Big blue shirt. You think we're getting up that?
Yeah, but we have to start back there.
Oh, easy, bro. Easy. That was so easy.
Keep going?
I don't care. It's not raining. Let's do it. Oh, he's going fast. Nope. I'm not going to be going that fast. Nice. Whew, look at that beautiful views. Alabama's got some views. Ah. Why'd you stop? Nope. I mean, we could probably make it, but it's a little sketch.
Yeah, I'm not going down.
Bent rotor. It's good. All right, see you up there, bud. Ow! Dude, Dunlop, come on, baby. All day long. Oh, this is probably not even like half the course difficulty that we're gonna be doing tomorrow.
That was nice.
That's probably easy compared to tomorrow's off-road race. Oh, shit. Get out of here. Lewis, find something? Yep. Always explore, people. Oh, shit, look at this.
It goes back to the dam that way.
There's like a course that way. Oh, fuck. I told you. That's where they had to shoot bird or deer. We could, thank God I got this vest.
Hold on, I got this.
Where's he going?
Can you go through that? Is it open?
Yeah, go in the back.
I'm not getting in it.
Why? Is it all dirty?
There's a nice chair in there, but I'm not getting in it.
The spider's in there. Oh. No. Yeah, I don't want to go in there. Lewis didn't believe that these were deer hunting stands. He's like, that's not what they're for. Let's see what's going on this way. Oh shit, almost whipped it. Oh, Lewis is over there. Oh shit, we're on the course.
That's a jump right there.
Where? Oh shit, this used to be an off-road track.
Full speed, I almost took it. I didn't know. I didn't know what's on the other
This is a course.
Yeah.
Let's go. Go, I'll follow you. Oh, there's a little jump right here. Hay barrels, yeah, this is definitely a course. Oh my, straight down, straight up. You guys probably can't tell, but fuck. Huh?
It is a course.
Yeah. Second thought, I probably should have wore jeans and maybe even gloves. What? Oh fuck! That's slippery.
I fell in like this.
Look at the little jumps. Oh fuck! More of the slippery. Oh shit! Come on, baby! Come on, baby! You can do it! Dunlops, baby! Don't let me down so early! Oh shit, where's Lewis? Lewis! So you got them Dunlops. Oh fuck! Oh no, I just burned myself again. You couldn't make it? Huh?
I kind of tapped it out, and when I did, my back tire went out.
Oh. Alright. I don't know how to get out, but I think we're stuck here. If you're watching this YouTube video, guess what? We made it out. Or somebody found it and was really nice enough to upload it to my channel. Oh, fuck. Stalled. God damn. This is cool though, guys. Again, you people that went, you people that went to the Smoky Mountains. This is hey, there it is. This is something definitely unique that we have not done before. Having this type of access and all the different genres of riding out here this weekend. Keep in mind, there's like track riding too, like full leathers. There's no type of race is going to be happening too. All right, back to civilization. Let's go check out the vendors. I saw Honda setting up. I wonder if my rep from the Coast to Coast trip is there. Look at our tent set up. Still no one here. We're still the only people set up. To have a ground squad. Woo! It's looking hot though. We got some good VIP parking. Take note, that's our spot for the rest of the time. As long as we want to come out here, we claim that. Oh my God! What's going on, man? What's up, man? Good. Good. How are you?
Good. Jesus Christ, where you guys been?
Yeah, you know.